To send snap from camera roll and others see it as live snap, open your Snapchat. Click on Memories and choose picture you want to send. Click Edit and in Edit click Cut option. Select whole picture, don't miss a single spot. Click Done and now go back to your Snapchat and take a snap of anything. After taking snap, click Sticker option. Choose Cut option and select that picture you cut. Adjust it to fit. Now send that snap, other will see it as a live snap, not set from gallery. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more AI installation guides, optimization tutorials, and the latest open source AI tools, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.